Welcome to Frost & Sullivan's Growth Podcast. In each episode, we take a deeper look at transformative shifts shaping global ecosystems, from industry megatrends and technology innovation to evolving customer expectations. Today, we're exploring the growth opportunities in the global motor services industry, unpacking where the next wave of opportunity is unfolding and what it means for future-ready businesses. Electric motors. From oil refineries and power plants to automotive factories and food processing facilities, electric motors are the unseen workhorses of global industry. They consume a substantial share of global electricity, and they keep operations running 24/7. But here's what's changing. As energy prices rise, efficiency regulations tighten, and tolerance for downtime disappears, motor services are no longer just about fixing breakdowns. They're becoming a strategic lever for performance, resilience, and cost optimization.
According to Frost & Sullivan, the global motor services market was valued at $5.96 billion in 2024 and is projected to reach $7.22 billion by 2029, growing at a CAGR of 3.8%. On the surface, that growth looks steady, but strategically, the importance of motor services is accelerating much faster than top-line numbers suggest. The industry is moving from reactive repair models to digitally enabled, outcome-focused service strategies that prioritize uptime, energy efficiency, life cycle optimization. For industrial organizations dealing with aging assets and constrained capital budgets, motor services are being reframed from a maintenance necessity to a high-impact investment lever. The question is no longer, should we service our motors? It's how do we prioritize service strategies that deliver measurable operational returns?
Three major forces are reshaping the global motor services landscape. First, innovative business models. We're seeing a shift from transactional repairs to long-term partnerships. Bundled service contracts and even motor-as-a-service, or MaaS models, are gaining traction. Customers are increasingly paying for uptime rather than ownership. Second, transformative megatrends. Ultra-efficient motors, permanent magnet technologies, digital twins, and data analytics are redefining maintenance. Service is becoming software-enabled and intelligence-driven. Third, rising competitive intensity. OEMs face growing pressure from low-cost third-party providers once warranties expire. Differentiation now depends on demonstrating reliability, safety, measurable energy savings, and lifecycle cost advantages, with digital services providing a clear competitive edge.
Let's break down the key growth drivers: condition monitoring and predictive maintenance. Industries are shifting from time-based maintenance to condition-based strategies. IoT-enabled monitoring systems now provide continuous visibility into motor health, failure patterns, and energy performance, significantly reducing unplanned outages. Energy efficiency regulations. Stricter mandates across North America, Europe, and Asia-Pacific are driving retrofit demand. Instead of replacing motors outright, many organizations are upgrading and optimizing existing systems to meet compliance requirements. An expanding installed base. Industrial growth continues to add new motors to the global base. At the same time, aging equipment in heavy industries requires more frequent maintenance, rewinding, and lifecycle management, ensuring steady, recurring service demand. Together, these drivers are making motor services more predictable, more strategic, and more digitally integrated.
Now let's talk about where value is concentrating. Package services for recurring revenue. Bundling maintenance, spare parts, monitoring services, and extended warranties is shifting providers toward lifecycle-driven revenue models, improving retention beyond warranty periods. Condition monitoring as the fastest-growing value pool. IoT-enabled predictive services are unlocking higher uptime, lower energy consumption, and reduced operational risk, especially in asset-intensive industries. Alignment with energy transition needs. Demand is rising for services supporting ultra-efficient IE4 and IE5 motors, explosion-proof applications, and emerging sectors like renewables, hydrogen, batteries, and EV supply chains. Outcome-based models, including MaaS, are also gaining momentum in these sectors. The transformation is clear. Value is shifting toward intelligence, outcomes, and recurring engagement.
The organizations that win in this next phase will treat motor services as a strategic capability, not a reactive necessity. By embedding digital intelligence, predictive maintenance, and lifecycle optimization into service portfolios, leaders can reduce downtime, improve energy efficiency, extend asset life, strengthen customer loyalty. Motor services are no longer about fixing what breaks. They're about preventing failure, optimizing performance, and enabling sustainable growth. Thanks for joining us on Frost & Sullivan's Growth Podcast. For access to our research, competitive benchmarking, and best practice frameworks, head over to frost.com or email hello@frost.com. We'll be back soon with more to help you stay clear-headed and growth-ready.